Hello everyone, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, we have completed 44 problems. Now I am going to discuss that 45 question. Sum of the coefficients of all integral powers of x is. They are asking all integral powers. That means the powers are integer. When it is possible, see 1 plus 2 root x whole power 40. Let's expand this. 40C0 plus 40C1 into 2 root x plus 40C2 into 2 root x whole square, 40C3 into 2 root x whole cube plus 40C4 2 root x whole power 4 plus and so on infinite. So here, what are the integral powers? 40C0, 40C2, 40C4. These are the integral powers because square root is going to cancel. So how to eliminate the terms? How to eliminate the terms? Tell me. For suppose we are taken 1 minus 2 root x whole power 40. So what we get, students? Alternative sign now. 40C0 minus 40C1 2 root x plus 40C2 2 root x whole square minus and so on. This is not infinite. Last term is there up to how many terms? 40 terms. The power is a positive integer now. Up to 40 terms. 40 or 44. We can write like this. 40C40 2 root x whole power 40. That to here this is positive. Here also write same like that. So that is 40C40 2 root x whole power 40 in front of that positive. When we get the integral powers, if both are adding means 1 plus 2 root x whole power 40 plus 1 minus 2 root x whole power 40. That means see that each term is twice. We get like this 40C0 plus 40C2 into 2 root x whole square, that is 2x r naught, sorry 2 square x r naught. 40C4, observe that 40C4 2 power 4 into x square. The x powers integer means we will say that those are integral powers and so on. Last term 40C4 2 power 40 x power 20. They are asking integral powers. That means these two send left hand side. So 1 plus 2 root x whole power 40 plus 1 minus 2 root x whole power 40 divided by 2, that is equal to 40C0 40C2 into 2 square x 2 square x and so on. The last term should be 40C40 2 power 4 x power 20. So right hand side all terms are integral powers. Here they are asking sum of the coefficients of all integral powers. That means in place of x, substitute power 1, we get sum of integral powers. So I am writing here sum of integral powers of x, integral powers of x, that is equal to, in place of x substitute 1, left right hand side value sum of integral powers, left hand side is the answer. So in place of x substitute 1 whole power 40 plus 1 minus 2 root 1 whole power 40 divided by 2. Students, observe that what is the answer? 3 power 40 plus 1 by 2. This is the final answer. Observe the options. Second option correct. 46th question. If C is small in comparison with L, C is small comparison with L. That means C less than L. Yes or no? So here C by L value, it is less than 1. So overall we are identified that C by L value is fractional part, less than 1 means. These are not negative. Okay. And here approximations. If x is very small, so that x square and higher power of x can be neglected, we can write 1 plus x whole power n is equal to 1 plus nx. How we are writing that? See, 1 plus x whole power n. What is the expansion? nc0 plus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square and so on. Infinite. What is n here? They didn't mention. That's why I'm written infinite. Okay. Here x square and higher power of x. X is small now. X square and higher power of x can be neglected. So those are very small values. That's why I'm going to neglect. NC1 means n into x. So write in bracket why we are neglecting. X is very small. X square and higher power of x. Higher power of x can be neglected. Can be neglected like this. Sometimes we get 1 plus nx and nc2. nc2 means n into n minus 1 by 2 into x square. Up to here I am written. That means what we are done here, x cube and higher power of x. Higher power of x can be neglected because those are very small value. By observing the question, then you can neglect. Okay. Now 46th question, see that C is small in comparison with L. That meaning is C is less than L. C by L value is less than 1. C by L is a very small value. And square, very small. Cube, very small. Those values we are going to neglect. Okay. Now L divided by denominator, take L common. Then what happened? 1 plus C by L will come. 1 plus C by L whole power 1 by 2. In second term also, in denominator, take L common, students. What we get? 1 minus C by L whole power 1 by 2. Here, L cancel. So the term is in denominator. Send it to numerator. The power is going to negative minus 1 by 2 plus This is 1 minus c by L whole power minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Both expand and simplify. We get the answer. See, this is in the form of 1 plus x whole power minus p by q. And plus minus opposite signs. We get alternative sign. 1 minus p by 1 factorial into x by q. X means c by L. Q means 2. C by 2L plus p. P means what? 1. P plus q. 1 plus 2 divided by 2 factorial into c by 2L whole square minus and so on up to infinite. This is first term. Now expand the second term. What happened? Same like that only, but the total expansion is positive. C by 2L plus 1 into 1 plus 2 divided by 2 factorial into c by 2L whole square and so on infinite. Here students observe that this term is going to cancel. Next third term also going to cancel like that. Second, not third term, fourth term. Second, fourth, sixth, those terms are going to cancel. Then what are the remaining terms? And c by L is very small. Their cube, power 4, those are very small values. I am going to neglect. Now each term is coming twice. 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 2 by 2 factorial. That means 3 by 2 into c by 2L whole square. That means 1 by 4 into c by L whole square. Here is not the minus plus. I am writing only two terms because c by L whole cube and higher powers can be neglected because those are very small values. Why I am taken up to square only? See the options, maximum degrees square, that's why. Okay students, now simplify this. 2, I am multiplying with 2. Now remaining is 2 to cancel, 3 by 4 into c by L whole square. This is the answer. Now observe the options. Which option correct? 2 plus 3 by 4 c by L whole square. That is, we can write 2 plus 3c square divided by 4L square. So second option correct. Students, all of you understood now why we are neglecting the terms? Because those are very small. Read the question. The greatest integer less than or equal to 2 plus root 3 whole power 6. That meaning is step of 2 plus root 3 whole power 6 value need. Step of 2 plus root 3 whole power 6. Greatest integer less than or equal to 2 plus root 3 whole power 6 meaning is step of 2 plus root 3 whole power x. Okay students, now here do one thing. 2 plus root 3 whole power 6 plus 2 minus root 3 whole power 6. When we will get answer easily means if you are adding 2 plus root 3 whole power x plus 2 minus root 3 whole power x, then we get, see, plus or minus. So after expansion, some of the terms is going to cancel. Remaining terms we get like this: 2 into 6c0 into 2 power 6 plus 6c2 2 power 4 root 3 whole square plus 6c4 2 square root 3 whole power 4 plus 6c6 root 3 whole power 6. Okay, calculate this value, students. 2 into 6c01 2 power 6 2 to the 4 8 16 32 64 2 power 6 64 6c2 6 into 5 by 1 into 2, that is 15 into 2 power 4 16 root 3 whole square 3 6c2 6c4 same, that is 15 2 square 4 root 3 whole power 4 means that is 3 square 9. Here 3 cube 3 cube means how much? 27. These are the values. Now students, one by one calculate that. 2 into 64 128 plus 2 into 15 into 16 into 3 2 into 15 into 16 into 3, this is totally 1440 plus again 2 into 15 into 4 into 9, those value 1080 plus 2 into 27, that is 54. Now add this value 1080 plus 1440 plus 128 plus 54. These value totally 2702. 2702. Now in left hand side 2 plus root 3 whole power 6 plus here students 2 minus root 3 whole power 6. Students, tell me what is root 3 value? Root 3 value 1.732 approximately whole power 6. So if you are subtracted 2 minus 1.732 value, how much we get? Tell me. 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3 whole power 6. This is 0.26. 0.26 whole power 4. Or you can send right hand side 2702 minus this value is 0.26 approximately whole power 6. Calculate this totally. So I am expecting that 2701.00 approximately I am writing for suppose 2. This is. But they are asking step of 2 plus root 3 whole power 6. Step value